Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue where you get the add a device notification every minute for Bluetooth, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Go to notifications in the right pane and disable the notifications. Now this is not the resolution but a workaround. The problem that I believe is that your Bluetooth device keeps on disconnecting again and again. So search for device manager and open the device manager. Expand the list of Bluetooth drivers and right click on the MediaTek Bluetooth adapter and update it. And if you have any other device which is disconnecting continuously, you can update that one as well. Like if it's a printer, then you can update the printer. So this is the software part. If the issue is with the hardware, then you will have to do something about it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.